What is a motion for summary judgment? Hi, come on in. I'm Jerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney, and in today's video I want to explain to you what is a motion for summary judgment. Well, anytime a lawyer makes a motion in court, a motion is a request by one lawyer asking the court to do something. And when we say the court, we mean the judge who's in charge of the case. A motion is a request to the court to take some type of legal action. So, the person who is being sued, their lawyer will often make a request to the judge to throw out the plaintiff's case, the person who's bringing the lawsuit. And why do they do that? There may be many legal reasons why that's done, but that's called a motion for summary judgment. Now, when an attorney makes a request to dismiss a case, they have to put in lots and lots of reasons why and give lots of evidence and support and proof as to why they believe the case has no merit. And as a result, as a matter of law, they are asking the court, throw that bum out, not literally, but throw that case out. It doesn't have any merit. So what happens next? Well, the attorney who represents the injured victim, the plaintiff, they now have an opportunity to rebut and to object to all of those requests. And here's the interesting thing. That lawyer now has to put in all the evidence that they feel supports their claim. So now when the court is faced with competing interests and competing evidence, typically what will happen in New York is that the judge is not going to make a decision about who's right and who's wrong on the facts. Instead, when you have competing interests where both experts are now saying opposite things and the proof is head to head, the judge will typically turn to the attorneys and say, you know what, I'm going to let a jury decide at trial. Your request to dismiss the case is denied. Now the case is going to proceed to trial. There are some instances where a judge will allow the case to be dismissed on legal grounds. And that's it for today's video. I'm Jerry Oginski, and by the way, if you found this information helpful, I want you to press that button below that says like, especially if you're watching this on Facebook and YouTube. Why? This way all of your friends can get the benefit of the same exact information that you just got. And if you have questions, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. This is what I do every single day. I can answer your legal questions. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Jerry Oginski. Thanks for watching.